Hi, I'm Santina from WTI. If you're looking for your next iPad, I gotta tell you about this 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So I think first of all, we've gotta talk about the size. I mean, this is a really nice big size tablet. So if you want that extra space so you can see what you're working on beautifully, maybe if you're drawing or reading and you really want the big screen, this is for you. I also like that this has Face ID for security. So we're all worried about keeping ourselves and our electronics safe, and this has that extra security feature on it. I also think the graphics, the colors are beautiful on this, and I like the thin, lightweight design. So overall, this is just absolutely beautiful tablet. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.